The Aravallis, India's oldest fold mountain range, majestically spreads across Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. These ancient hills stand as silent sentinels of northwestern India, shielding the land from desertification. More than just a geological marvel, the Aravallis breathe life into the region. They nurture rich ecological biodiversity, recharge groundwater, purify the air, and sustain millions of lives, thus acting as the landscape's lungs. Today, the Aravallis face unprecedented threats. Mining, rapid urbanization, and deforestation are eroding their strength, leading to depleted water resources, soil erosion, and a devastating loss of biodiversity. As these pressures mount, the air grows heavier, the land drier, and the people who depend on the Aravallis face an uncertain future. Recognizing the urgency, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change launched the transformative Aravalli Green Wall project to combat land degradation and desertification, restore ecological balance, and build climate resilience across the region. To catalyze this mission, the Nature Conservancy in India convened a landmark partnership summit in Gurugram, inaugurated by Shri Bhupinder Yadav, Honorable Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The summit united government agencies, civil society organizations, and technical experts, forging a collaborative path forward.
अरावली के नेचुरल वॉल में बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन, इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस और जो क्रिटिकल इकोसिस्टम सर्विसेज हैं, विशेष रूप से यहाँ पर सॉइल रेस्टोरेशन के लिए, वाटर रिजुविनेशन के लिए और क्लाइमेट रेजिलियंस के लिए भी कुछ हस्तक्षेप की। यही कारण है कि 25 मार्च 2023 को हम लोगों ने एक ग्रीन वॉल परियोजना लैंड डिग्रेडेशन और डेजर्टिफिकेशन से निपटने के लिए हमारे मंत्रालय के द्वारा शुरू की गई।
The Nature Conservancy in India, in different capacities, partnered with state forest departments, biodiversity boards, and local NGOs to develop a comprehensive conservation roadmap for the Aravallis.
TNC's role is to really serve as a technical partner by providing science-based frameworks for restoration. We bring out global best practices such as ecological reference models and monitoring frameworks and adapt them for local use. Our engagement ensures that interventions are evidence-based, cost-effective, and scalable across the landscape. And most importantly, the work that we're doing in the Aravallis is all about partnerships, partnerships, partnerships.
कटिंग एज साइंस प्रोड्यूस करना द नेचर कंजर्वेंसी का काम है और वर्ल्ड में जो बेस्ट अवेलेबल साइंस है उसकी सिंथेसिस करके उसका उपयोग करना। और दूसरा, हम बहुत अच्छे पायलट प्रोजेक्ट्स प्रयत्न करेंगे वन विभाग के साथ और एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के साथ या बाकी अन्य विभागों के साथ मिलके छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स इंप्लीमेंट करें। तो ये हमारी भूमिकाएं राज्य सरकारों के साथ और भारत सरकार के साथ रहेंगी।
The Aravalli mountain range is far from homogeneous. Its ecological characteristics vary significantly across the landscape. To design effective interventions, the Nature Conservancy India conducted a series of stakeholder consultations in Haryana, Rajasthan, and Gujarat, visited the field, engaged with local communities and NGOs to draft a comprehensive conservation roadmap for the range. In Haryana, the Nature Conservancy India's focus is on forest landscape restoration and the revival of water bodies.
This is one of the initiatives in which, with the support of Nature Conservancy, we are trying to bring all relevant stakeholders to initiate the dialogue. So at present I see my role as a, just you can say, facilitator and you can the setting of the stage.
In Rajasthan, which comprises nearly 80% of the entire landscape, the Nature Conservancy India's priorities are forest landscape restoration, regenerative agriculture, grassland restoration, freshwater conservation, and climate adaptation. Restoring the riparian habitat of the Banas River, one of the 4 river systems originating in the Aravalis, has been prioritized.
बनास देखिए जहाँ जहाँ से भी अरावली क्षेत्र से गुजर रही है और वन क्षेत्र से गुजर रही है, वहाँ पर एक तो हम इसकी पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि इलीगल माइनिंग इसमें नहीं होने पावे, बजरी की खास तौर से। नंबर 2, जहाँ जहाँ भी हमको जगह मिलती है उसके कैचमेंट के ट्रीटमेंट का हम अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करते हैं, उसका जो वाटर फ्लो है वो बराबर बना रहे। बनास अल्टीमेटली जाके चंबल में मिलती है क्योंकि इसकी एक मुख्य ट्रिब्यूटरी है ये, और चंबल जो है वो राजस्थान के लिए कितनी आवश्यक है ये मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ।
In Gujarat, the Nature Conservancy India's focus is strengthening community structures and adopting nature-based solutions. Particularly in Sabarkantha, Banaskantha and Aravali districts through joint forest management initiatives.
नेचर कंजर्वेंसी एक एनजीओ है, बहुत अच्छे उनको इस अरावली की समझ है, टेक्निकली क्वालिफाइड उनकी टीम भी है, उनके साथ हमारा लगातार कम्युनिकेशन है। और सबसे पहले जब हमने इस प्रोजेक्ट को लॉन्च किया तो उसी दिन नेशनल स्टेट लेवल पर हमारा एक सेमिनार भी हुआ जिस पर अरावली के सारे इश्यूज के बारे में डिस्कस किया। तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये जो संस्था है बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है, गुजरात को भी पूरी तरह सपोर्ट कर रही है, और फ्यूचर में भी हम जो काम करेंगे उसमें जब जब कोई टेक्निकल नो हाउ की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो हम उनके संपर्क में हैं और संपर्क में बने रहेंगे।
We have come to a point where Aravali as an ecosystem, as an eco-sensitive zonation, it is getting its recognition. It was not a biodiversity, it was not an identified eco-region. Its biodiversity is unique, its biodiversity has a value, and the uniqueness of the biodiversity of Aravali is something that we are appreciating. And this Conservation Action Plan, it has got like all the stakeholders, from students to researchers, to government officials, to NGOs, to civil society organizations.
The Conservation Action Plan developed by the Nature Conservancy rests on the 5 priority thematic pillars of forest landscape restoration, freshwater conservation, promoting regenerative agriculture, renewable energy, and climate adaptation. We will help implement the work across the identified sites in the 3 states. We have also designed the Decision Support System, a powerful tool that equips stakeholders and decision makers with access to large data sets and advanced analytics, enabling informed, data-driven conservation and restoration across the fragile ecosystems of the Aravali region.
We envision the Green Wall as a living infrastructure and not a one-time intervention. Over the next decades, success will mean that restoration is self-sustaining, embedded in state development plans, and scalable to other fragile landscapes in India. Globally, this project can actually serve as a benchmark for how to operationalize land degradation neutrality commitments at scale.
With the restoration sites identified and collaborative efforts with all the partners underway, the Nature Conservancy in India is paving the way for a resilient Aravali landscape. A future where biodiversity flourishes, ecosystems are resilient, and communities thrive in harmony with nature. The Aravalis, India's living green wall, shaping a sustainable future.